Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today's video is going to be a very short video. I have made these videos in the past where I upload a flame tune or I upload a pop tune onto the car. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick pull of the pop tune and showing you guys how it's like driving with the Straightpiped FRS and a pop tune. Is it good? Does it suck? How does it sound? All that you guys will find out just in a minute. But for those of you guys who are new to the channel, let me do a quick walk around of my car and then we'll get straight into today's video. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel because that helps out a ton. Now let's go ahead and get into what you guys are waiting for. Get into the driving clips of me driving back roads with a pop tune. It's really windy outside, and also my alignment is so bad that I have to hold the steering wheel while holding the camera, and it's a little challenging, but it sounds so aggressive, so nasty. Damn. I don't plan on running this tune for a long time just because there's a couple of maintenance things that need to be done to my car. So probably will switch it back to the original tune by the time you guys are watching this video. I kind of just want to keep it like the stage 2 plus power tune, and maybe in the future I'll switch back to the pop tune. If you're new to the channel and you've made it this far into the video, go ahead and subscribe down below. That would help out a ton. If you want to see more, there are these 2 videos on the channel. Go ahead and check those out. Links will also be in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.